Hey everyone, this is Coach Julio, and hope you're well. So I wanted to share what I do with my clients, an exercise or a position that's been around for thousands of years, and that is this sitting position or lotus position, whatever you want. So when you're sitting in this position, say if I just had someone, we just do some conditioning so your heart rate's up. So that is your sympathetic nervous system. When I have them sit, it's working their parasympathetic nervous system. So we're not doing anything. And again, they get to explore their breathing. They get to explore how they feel, certain muscles. If they feel one leg pop up, those things that they're feeling, I'll probably have a really good idea because I would have done their movement screen, so meaning muscle imbalances. But it's even better when they get to feel it. And then they understand as they practice this with me during the session. It's not like for an hour. I just do maybe like 10 seconds or something like that. And then it's about frequency. They may carry this form of meditation to other parts of their life, as I said earlier. So that's about it. What do you think? What's your favorite form of meditation? Don't forget to post your comment and don't forget to subscribe.